Help us shine a light on a group that needs to be taken down. Till next time, stay safe. And remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Goodbye.
If I can figure out what Finn's planning to do with the new form and take it from her, it'll be a good day. You're right, Genki. Underground are everywhere.
You might say they're overground?
Keep working on that one. Barrier's electrified. Ow! And not friendly.
Your suit says that was 300 kilojoules. How is that just ow?
Benefits of bioelectricity, I guess. Power can be supplied all locally. Another one bites the dust.
Any sign of the power source?
Several. Bet these cables lead the way.
Electrified barrier is next level. Maybe they got nervous after someone infiltrated Finn's tower.
Who do that? Lights out for you. Gotta watch out for spiders,
Alan,
man.
what's your status? Alan? Someone go check on him.
Already on my way.
Don't hesitate! Kill him!
That'll leave a mark.
You have no idea who you're messing with! We're gonna wreck you, Spider-Man! You see these weapons? You can't win!
Good night.
Not gonna lose to you, Spider-Man!
I like your new place. Is there a Phantom anywhere? Got him. Now I gotta drain that generator. drained it. Feeling good. Now for the others. Another one bites the dust.
People respect us now. Now we got Spider-Man and Roxxon against us. I don't know if we can survive it.
We can, as long as we keep following her.
They look so peaceful knocked out. That'll leave a mark.
Get out of here, Spider-Man! This isn't your business!
You'll never stop the underground, Spider-Man!
On it.
Hey! Come out and face us, you imposter!
They're gone. Has to be Spider-Man.
Come out here and fight!
Give it up! Come on, Spider-Man! I think I saw something move. Hey! Doc, look out for Spider-Man!
We're not scared of you, Spider-Man!
Gonna wreck you, Spider-Man! Gonna mess you up real good!
Gotta focus. cool, chipping away.
Cash. Fresh from the bank. Good. Now that we don't got Fisk's fault anymore, we need something. She said it takes some time. Okay. And bitch, you're letting me live it.
What if something goes wrong with me? The whole deal explodes.
We won't have time to complain about it. Okay.
Here, take 5.
No one's gonna catch me.
Can't hide forever, you little twerp!
Lost them.
Get out of here! We can forget about this!
We'll find you. Crack your skull, Spider-Man.
Did you see him? Where did he go?
What was that? Chris, you there? Chris! Somebody check on her. She's not answering.
Your lucky day. Sorry. I heard something.
Spider-Man! Fight me!
Hey, Julio, you around? Hello? Somebody get over there.
I got you. Checking now.
Who's Spider-Man, huh? What are you, like the off-brand? Nah, Spidey. Spider-Man.
You look so peaceful, knockout.
Spider-Man's still here.
Lights out with no more underground. Soon to be no more generator. one more. Easier than I thought.
Gotta stay alert.
This is better.
Yeah.
Another win for Spider-Man.
Okay, Kev. Who wins in a fight? Shaka or Tombstone? Kev, you there? Somebody check on him?
Blowing up the plaza? That's your plan? It's a terrible plan! Gotta focus. That'll leave a mark.
That did it. Barrier's fresh out of power.
And primed for smashing.
was the way to the main auditorium. Now it's blocked.
Oops. Maybe there's a staircase. Or an elevator. Like that elevator. If I can lift it.
Hey man, I'm thinking. What if you told Finn you're Spider-Man?
Yo, Finn. Not only did I lie about joining your club, but I'm also the guy trying to stop you.
Okay, yeah, we can work on the delivery.
Giant armored silo looks promising.
Really feeling like my gaming rig is underpowered right now.
Yeah. Finn's going full supervillain layer here. Are you seeing this giant armored container thing?
Totally not suspicious. You think the new form's in there?
I got a hunch, yeah. Container's got cables running away from it. No wonder. Rick's invention. Krieger doesn't understand Nuform well enough to make more, but Finn does. She mapped out how its reactivity works. Looks like Finn's making a new mask? A shield? As soon as I find a way around the Underground's weapons, she comes up with something new. No one's here. Could look around some. That's one. Need to power the others. So why do you think I should tell Finn I'm a Spider-Man? Don't you think she might react badly?
Let's make a pros and cons list. Pro. She's your best friend. Besides me.
Con, she's a tinkerer.
Pro. Talking to her is easier than sneaking around behind her back.
Con, the other Spider-Man was super clear. Don't tell anyone who you are.
Told me. Maybe if she knows it's you she's fighting, she'll rethink the whole Tinkerer thing.
Maybe you're right. Nice. Clear line of sight to the generator. Cables look important. Probably worth following. Powering the generators, I could turn on Finn's rig. I bet my suit could find the generators. make a direct connection. Might be able to use that relay node to run a daisy chain. All right, that's 2. Hope this is a good idea.
What's the worst that could happen?
Says the guy 30 blocks away. Drywall's falling apart. Finn's feeding Roxxon bad intel so they don't get close to her or the new form. She's good. Three down. 1 to go. Finn's been making new weapons to deal with me. Guess she told the rest of the underground to keep tabs. That sounds promising. Gotta check Finn's supercomputer. What are you up to, Finn? Finn's pumping energy into the new form, making it unstable like my venom did.
Which exploded the bridge. So, what? Does she want to blow up the theater?
Not the theater. Roxxon Plaza.
Whoa, what? That's... how could she...
It's not open yet, so there'll be no casualties. But I can't let her do this. I'm taking the new form. Come on. Come on! Crap!
Spread out. He's here somewhere.
I need to get the new form. After I deal with her glow stick army.
Just to put it out there, what if Finn's right, and this is the best way to beat Roxxon?
Finn's not just talking about throwing a rock through a window. She wants to blow up a building on my block. If any part of her plan goes wrong, people will get hurt. I can't let her take that chance.
You're right. Let's get that new form out of here.
If you give me the new form, we can skip this part. Try that again.
We'll kill you, Spider-Man!
Gotta watch out for spiders, man.
I'm not backing down.
Wish it was always this easy. You're done.
Hey, Doc! Still around! Hey, someone get over here!
Stop hiding, Spider-Man! We know you're here!
Connor, how's it look? Connor? Hey, someone check on him. On it.
Get out here, Spider-Man!
Spider-Man's still here!
You're not ready for this fight, Spider-Man!
Hey! Someone give me a hand!
We can end this fast and slow.
Watch your back! You're picking us off!
They're gone! It's Spider-Man, I know it!
Let him fly out before he gets the new form! Why are you such a snake, Spider-Man? You're weak, and we'll crush you! Stay away from them! Stand still! He saw our plan! We have to take him out! You won't stop us! You're real, Spider-Man!
Take that!
I'll kill you!
Even Spider-Man's not ready for this.
Venom tears it apart!
Good! Keep doing that!
You're done!
Do your nuts! Fighting us with a Reaper scale! Don't be like that! I dare you!
Don't let him near the new form!
Got something for you! Okay, now for the new form. Okay, easy. Oh, no!
Can't let you take that.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Seriously?
I just want to talk! Fit! Tinkerer! Stop!
So you can steal my new form? Not a chance in hell!
Hey, Genki! Ran into Finn!
What's happening?
She grabbed the new form! I'm chasing her across Manhattan!
Okay, how are you gonna stop her?
Step 1, catch her. Step 2, I'll get back to you. Oh, move!
Snap off! This is between me and
I just want to talk! Finn! Tinkerer! Stop!
So you can steal my new form? Not a chance in hell!
Hey, Genki! Ran into Finn!
What's happening?
She grabbed the new form! I'm chasing her across Manhattan!
Okay, how are you gonna stop her?
Step 1, catch her. Step 2, I'll get back to you. Oh, move!
Snap off! This is between me and Rockside!
How about we use our words? How about you stop being so clingy? Or is she not tired yet? It is not going well.
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm dodging explosions. I need a new strategy. Gonna do what you said.
Tell her the truth?
Yeah, as soon as I catch her. Tinkerer, I gotta tell you something. Slow down.
Do you think I'm stupid?
You wanna hear this. I promise.
Step off, Spider-Man!
French death wheel!
Give me one good reason not to end you.
My mom would be very upset.
Miles?
Can we just...
You two on the roof! Freeze!
That could have gone better. I think she cracked a rib.